Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School. This is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a computer class for class 3 students. And our today's topic is Chapter 9, Short Question 3, 4 and 5. So this is my last class of question answer. Okay. So let's see, open your computer's ahead book and go to page number 60, chapter 9, page number 60, internet. So let's start the class. Class 3, subject computer, topic chapter 9, short question 3, 4, 5, term manual, lecture 11, SW number 10. Teacher's name Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number, messenger ID, and today's date 14/9/2020. So let's start the class. So my dear students, topic chapter 9, short question 3, 4 and 5. So this is my last questions of annual term. Short question 3, 4 and 5. From these questions, I will not give more questions. Okay. So the last short question of this term. Number 3, why do we need search engine? Question is, why do we need search engine? Answer, we need search engine to search over the internet for the information we need. Bing, Google, Yahoo are some common search engines. Look at the word Bing, Google and Yahoo, all will be in capital letters. We can get any information from the internet using search engine. If any address or website is unknown to us, we usually use a search engine like Google. Question number 4, what is called website or site? Answer is, the information is saved at a unique spot on the computer. This unique spot is called website or site. And the last question, question number 5 is, write 2 benefits of using net. So my dear students, you may remember in question number 1 we learned what are the advantages of using net or internet. So in question number 1 I have given 5 points. So here I have specified, write 2 benefits of using net. Only you have to write 2 benefits. Okay, I am not repeating this question. Okay, only you have to write 2 benefits. Answer, 2 benefits of using net are given below. We can all call net or internet the same word. Number 1, we can read books on internet. Number 2, we can send email using net or internet. Okay, so I'm reading for the again. Number 3, why do we need search engine? Answer, we need search engine to search over the internet for the information we need. Bing, Google, Yahoo are some common search engines. Bing, Google, Yahoo will be first letters, will be in capital letters. We can get any information from the internet using search engine. If any address or website is unknown to us, we usually use a search engine like Google. Number 4, what is called website or site? Answer, the information is saved at a unique spot on the computer. This unique spot is called website or site. Number 5, write 2 benefits of using net. Answer, 2 benefits of using net are given below. Number 1, we can read books on internet. Number 2, we can send email using net. So don't be confused. Question number 5, write 2 benefits of using net, because question number 1 we learned what are the advantages of using net. I have given 5 points, but here you will have to write only 2 points. Write 2 benefits of using net. Answer, 2 benefits of using net are given below. Number 1, we can read books on internet. Number 2, we can send email using net. So your SW10 will be SW10 submit on Sunday, chapter 9, short questions 3, 4 and 5. SW10 submit on Sunday, chapter 9, short question 3, 4 and 5. So from next classes I will not give short questions, I will give MCQ. Okay, so this is my last short question and answer. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm from the school library. Guardians or anyone else can come to school for collecting or submitting the SW copies. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBA, CT and diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. We are giving 2.5 mark each of your SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.